Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. Excuse me. So quickly, we broke above the 5-minute high. It's retesting this order block here. So if you want to play longs, your risk is 19,980, so 13 points. Just remember everything. We're pretty much, so NVDA. We're pretty much at that 130 level to target 131.92. Apple, SPY, we're actually in the gap. We're in the gap for SPY. Has room up to 564.01, so has a little bit of room up. Microsoft, couple things. Apple. Let's go look at Q. If we break above here, obviously we are right now, but in the 15-minute has room up to 488.79. And like I said, the NQ, right? If it broke the 5-minute, retested, it's a straight rocket up, and there it is right off the open. They just shot it right up. That 5-minute retest was nice off the open. That retest was nice. You were risking about 13 points. Super fast move. QQ, NVDA, AMD. We are at the, there's an hourly high here at the 20,000 level. So let's see how that reacts. That's a nasty ass rejection. Make sure you guys secure profits or move up your stops if you took longs. I'm gonna wait. We have news in about like 14 minutes or so. So I'm gonna wait, see what happens. We don't need to rush anything here. Very nice setup there. Also, if we break below here on the 5-minute, I'll look to play shorts all the way to 1937. So about 50-point move down. What I would want to see is if we do break below and place sells, I would want to see come sweep this double bottom here and bounce off the 1936 optimal level and push right back up. That's really where I love to go long, because it's a larger time frame retest zone, the hourly, and we'll be able to tap that low there. So let's see what's gonna happen. Remember, news in a little bit. I think it's at 8:45 Central. Yeah, so 12 minutes or so, 13 minutes. We have news. QQ, Microsoft, AMD, Apple. Let's actually just put SPY here. So SPY is in a gap, right? We're pretty much in a gap here on SPY. 15-minute gap, 564. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm just trying to be a little patient. ES still pushing, kind of like yesterday, right? ES led. ES kept pushing. SPY kept pushing. QQ and NQ were lagging. Right now we have QQ and NQ rejecting, and we have SPY trying to push up. So I want to wait for those news, see what happens. Let's look at NVIDIA. Apple's rejecting. Yeah. Let's see. So we're gonna wait pretty much 12 minutes, the first 15 minutes of the market to see what we do. Anyone catch those buys though? That was, how much you make? That was a quick 35 points if you caught those buys from the retest here. That was quick. You had to be fast. Yeah, 30 points. Good job. Yeah, you had to be fast to catch those. I know some of you guys probably didn't sell. Greedy fucks. So 5-minute shift. Let's see, we can get 12 more minutes for news. NQ, not NQ, ES, there we go. ES just tapped the 4-hour high, 56.64 area. Yes, QQ looks fucking weak. SPY and ES looks strong, but QQ and NQ not looking too hot. I mean, NVIDIA looks hot though. NVIDIA's popping. AMD's getting a little rejection. Yeah, the news are back, rents. If we get this 5 minute below 19,980, I'll go short. Only if we get the 5 minute close below it. Okay, we need to wait 4.5 minutes for this close. Callie, you bought the top? You long the top? Or what? NVIDIA's rejecting. Oh, that's not good for NQ. Ooh, that's a nasty rejection, NVIDIA. It's gonna have room down here. 127.66 area. Three more minutes. Let's see what happens. News in 9 minutes. NVIDIA trying to bounce off the daily open. SPY QQ's below the daily open. It's retesting that 464.46 break. So QQ can pop nasty from here. So we're at that break here. It can bounce pretty nasty from this 484.46 level. Yep, there he goes. NQ bouncing off the low as well. Very tight range here. I mean, the room up it's not limited. We have room at least 90 points, and then to 2161. So 2161. ES is rejecting that 4-hour high, 56.64, very nicely too. Pretty good. We're still in this 4-hour order block as well. NVIDIA at a daily open, AMD a daily open. Looks like QQ is bouncing off that 484.46 here. I want to see if we can tap that 19,936 on NQ. That's where I would love to go long. If we can sweep the lows there, and bounce off that hourly order block, that's like my favorite area to go long. 19,936. So like 6 minutes for news, so we can kind of chill. We're below that 19,980 level here. We need to close in 30 seconds. If it closes below in 30 seconds, we can short it. It's gonna hold it. And hold or break, hold or break, hold or break. What do you think? What do you think? I think it holds or it breaks it. It's a nasty bounce, man. Pretty nasty bounce. It held. It fucking held. It held on a 5 minute. You gotta wait another 5 minutes here. Yeah, that shit held. Like a maniac. Yeah, I'll take a bounce. Oops, bounce in here. The only thing I don't like, the only reason I wouldn't want to play the buys here, is just because QQ is below the daily open. Is the only reason I don't want to go long just yet. If QQ can get above daily open, then cool. I'll play the momentum. I'll smack the buys. But NVDA, and hold on. NVIDIA's below daily open too. Damn, we gotta get a 5 minute. Yeah, I wouldn't want to play longs here. One, we're at the top of the range. Two, NVIDIA, QQ are both below daily open. AMD's below daily open. Apple's below daily open. Just SPY and ES trying to push. I'm okay to miss the move today, so I'll be patient. I'll wait till I have confirmation of even NVIDIA or QQ above daily open. If any of those two can close above in the next 5 minutes, then we can go long. Alright. I just don't want to fuck around and find out. Yeah, James, you could have gone long once it held and then just risk a 5 minute close. But the thing is, though, it is risky. It could work. The only thing I wouldn't recommend is because if it would have caught momentum to the downside, it would easily straight leak 50 points to the low down here. Right, so like I said, understanding the momentum, plugging everything in together, seeing the video weak and QQ below daily open, and trying to be a little cautious, trying to play the upside because we are at the top, right? We are at the top of the range. I want to retest the hourly retest zone here at least, since we got the hourly break. That's the only way I can go long today. If you go long here, super aggressive, and I mean. So your risk is it's 8 points, right? If you want to go long so bad, put a hard stop at 25 points. You shouldn't come back down to this low. If we do, we're going to leak straight to 19,936. So you can try those buys here and have a hard stop 25 points. That's what I would say. Me personally, I'm okay. I prefer just watching, see what happens here. And we have news in 2 minutes too, so. Better safe than sorry. QQ is rejecting daily open. ES rejecting the high. NVIDIA is rejecting daily open. AMD rejecting daily open. SPY gets below daily open. We have the gap fill down, guys, all the way to 460. Well, if SPY lets go 562.36, we can have room down to 561.67. I'm going to take to make you today, huh? Yeah, I'm being patient. Very nice so far. Nice rejection. Oh, okay. 1 minute. So I mean, look, the news comes out in a minute and 10. When this candle closes, the news will come out. If it closes below, I don't want to give you guys some Degen shit. If it closes below, smack the fuck out of this motherfucker. Okay. $40 seconds. Still holding. You can't smack sales without the confirmation yet, guys. Please be patient. You need the 5 minute close below. Like, how hard is it for you guys to wait 20 seconds? This cough is gonna have me tweaking a little bit. I can already feel it. 20 seconds like a lifetime. 4, 3, 2. They fucking held it. There you go. They held it and popped it. Oh, well, rejection here. Nasty pop. Oof. Long still valid though. Held the low. Longs are still valid. Still held the low. So you get a 5-minute close below that low. Longs will be invalidated. But like I said, QQ still below daily open. NVDA still below daily open. So a little risky here. But valids are longs are still valid. No break below yet. Super tight range here, guys. QQ rejecting the daily. ES trying to push. Remember, this is still the hourly high too at that 20,000 level. Right at the hourly high. Right here. Hourly high from July 23rd. It's looking pretty weak here. QQ. NVIDIA retesting daily open. AMD. Apple's weak. Oh, SPY. There you go. SPY's gonna let go. It's gonna carry us. There it goes. That's all I needed. SPY to reject. Nasty rejection on SPY. SPY was lagging. SPY and ES were lagging behind NQ and QQ. Look at that nasty rejection off the daily open. Is that thing that never hits? 3 minutes and then we can go short. Let's see what happens. Don't get trigger happy just yet, guys. Nasty rejection on ES. Is SPY still below daily? Yep. I mean, SPY closed below low day. Right, we have a gap down. This low is fucking strong, guys. That low is like holding on for dear life. Two minutes. Man. I'm in 30 seconds. Alright, QQ. Still below daily. NVIDIA's trying to get above daily. Apple's popping. Let's see. A minute. Pretty much need SPY to hold this low here. 562.32 needs to hold. Patience. I know it sucks waiting, guys, but it's better to wait for confirmation than trying to force a trade. We lost 24% from this month from FOMO and revenge trading. Yeah, bro, that's what happens, you know, when you revenge trade and you try to make that money back. And so when you lose money, you become impatient, right? When you lose money, you become impatient. So you try to just force a trade, trying to make back your money. You size in more. If you practice that patience of just waiting for the setup to build up and present itself and then execute, I promise you, you do better long term. You know, compound your gains. like there's no rush to the market. There's always another day. There's always another week. There's always another setup, right? So no reason anyone should ever have FOMO. I know obviously it's tough to say or tough to do. We got the confirmation here. Nice. We have the confirmation here. I'm taking some starter sells here. Let's see what's gonna happen. We should just catch the momentum to the downside here. Nice. There we go. There we go. NVDA should reject the daily open. Nice, nice. 12. Nice. 15 points here, guys. Fuck yeah. All right, I'm taking some off. Moving on my stops. Nice, nice. 16 points here on those NQ sells, guys. Let's go. Easy break below and momentum trade. Like I said, just wait for that setup to come to you and then execute exactly what we just did. We waited for the break, and this is what momentum trade. Nice. There we go, guys. 18 points. And 20 points here on NQ sells. Let's go, guys. You guys just made some quick money in less than 2 minutes. Trimming some more here. Very nice, very nice. Quick money. There goes QQ. Alright. Reject daily open. NVIDIA reject daily open. AMD SPY broke below the low day. Like I said, breaks below the low day. Go for the gap. 561.69 should be the one area where it could bounce. If it doesn't bounce here, has room all the way to 561.04. Very nice, guys. 25 points here on these NQ cells. 25 points. I'm gonna take some more off here. Move it on my stops. 5 points in profit. Very nice. Very nice. Quick money there, guys. Hopefully you guys made some money. Make sure you guys secure some profits and trimming. My target's 19,936, but if I don't get that target, I'm okay because I already secured some profits. So if I don't get that down there, I at least already made some money, right? Now let your runners run. Leave your stops right at break even, or if you want to move them up, you can. And oops, what happened? There we go. Let's see what happens. Yep, bounce off the 50% on the 1 hour. I'm down to one contract here. I'm targeting 19,936. On this one contract, I have my stop now right at the 20,000 level. I'll put 20,007. So just above that high. I'll still be in profits on this trade. Only reason I'm risking it just so if we get a retest in the 1 minute structure, that'd be nice. Very nice, guys. You guys catch that? Let me see some ones if you guys caught that. Nice, nice. Good job, guys. Good fucking shit. Hell yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Damn. A lot of you guys. Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Good shit. So that's momentum trading there, guys. I know a lot of you guys ask, what's momentum? How do you trade momentum? Right. So T-Lock. So yesterday's trade we caught was momentum. You know, unfortunately, sometimes you do get the retest, sometimes you don't, right? The reason I smacked it immediately once we got the close instead of waiting for a retest, it's, like I said, it's just understanding that momentum. So the reason I did that is because one, I was already confident because we knew that QQ was below the daily open. We knew that SPY was below daily open, right? And it was a low day. And we knew NVIDIA was below daily open, right? These are the main things I watch every single day. So having these, you know, all line up together and then having a confirmation break that we've been waiting for, like I said, it can just be an easy push down. They're not gonna try to retest it. They can just let it slide pretty fast, and that's what they did, right? That's just understanding the momentum, reading the price action. Could I got on the 1 minute and seen it a little bit better and catch the retest in a 1 minute? Yeah, of course, but I want to stick to larger time frame today just to show you guys you can do it on any time frame, right? But that's a pretty quick move here. I mean, quick little $500 on the day. Nothing crazy. I mean, $500 in 20 minutes. Who doesn't like that, right? I like that rejection. I like that. And now it's a retest here, right? So the retest, but retested the hourly 50%. So if you wanna play shorts, just know you're going against the 1 hour now, right? Because we did tap into the 1 hour 50%, the 1 hour imbalance, right? Which is the 1 hour bullish structure to continue pushing up. I wouldn't want to play this aggressively, so I don't want to add any more size. I'll probably add, yeah, I'll still be in profit. So I'll do 2 more cons to see what my average gives me. I'll do 2 more cons. My risk, I'm not gonna risk that high either. Actually, I can do the 1 minute on this one. I'll keep it very tight. Yeah, I'll keep it very tight here. 1 minute above 92. That'll be my stop. 1 minute above. So actually, I'll have a hard stop at 2002. That's pretty good for me. We rejected the high, so that's good. This is very, 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 very aggressive, and I'm playing against the 1 hour, so do not size in crazy, guys. This is a super risky trade. It could work, like I said, if the momentum is going to keep following along. We had SPY come and retest the daily open, right? The imbalance, so very nice setup here. Broke the low day, retesting. NVDA is above daily open, it's the only thing I don't like. AMD still trying to let it go. So let's see what's going to happen here. But very, very aggressive, but I like the risk here. I like it. Let's see. Let's close 4 more points and then we'll stop my ass out. So I have my stop right at 20,002. If they close it below that high, oh, let's see. Oh, they close it right above it. So yeah, keep my hard stop at 2002. I don't want to risk all the way up here, so there's no reason for me to risk, 40 points on this trade. Yeah, and ES nasty bounce on ES, so could be a nice bounce to continue higher. If we're gonna continue up, we got room to 2085. So let's see what happens. Yeah, that 50%. Yep, 50 points off of it. That 50% on the hourly was amazing. Push up. Let's see. Let's look at NVDA. QQ still below daily. SPY's above daily. I just got stopped here on my small NQs. Yeah, this has room up now. If we get the shift back up on the 5 minute, we can long it too and catch some momentum upside. So like I said, right, that was a 1 minute trade against the hourly. So super aggressive. And that's how you play with profits. No reason to risk more than you're up, right? So now for me, I'm all cash. I'm green on the day. I get to enjoy my day. I'm still up 420 bucks, so not bad. Nothing crazy. Let's see. Really tight range here. Break 2025 on a 5 minute. You have room for 60 points, so it could be a great trade. But I'm pretty much done. I don't want to force a trade. We're done in the first less than 30 minutes. You got so used to trading in Q. Good shit, fanbo. Yeah, we want to see a shift back up now in the 5 minute to really consider this bullish structure valid on the larger time frame. We did have a retest on the 50%. I wanted the optimum. I wanted 19,936. That's really what I wanted for my sellers. But I mean, 30 points, I can't complain. 1 minute rejecting this high here. That's pretty nasty. Your 1 minute structure would be, yeah, I wouldn't want to play here anymore. Super tight range. QQ is rejecting daily open. SPY, nasty rejection. These wicks are fucking disgusting. The hourly, bro. July 23rd. Yeah. I guess 5 minute structure still being valid, but I'm not gonna risk 40 points. Your stop is above 2025. If you want to short, that's 40 something points. It's not my cup of tea, so I'm for staying cash. Apple's pushing up. Nasty rejection on SPY half. The order block broke the low day, retested. Very beautiful. NVDA, this is nasty, guys. This chop here right now is fucking disgusting. It's like the 1 minute. 1 minute order block can bounce here. Yeah, it's just not my cup of tea, man. This is a pretty big stop. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Are you guys happy? Are you guys done for the day? You guys made enough to be done? Man, get that shit out of here, man. I don't give a fuck about them. You're done. I'm done. I'm done. I don't want to get caught up in this chop here. I mean, yes, can shorts work? Yes, SPY, QQ, they can work, right? We can keep sliding, but we're really at this range, and I don't want to risk 40 plus points to stop me out, because the stop will be a 5-minute shift above 2025. I just don't want to. I don't want to risk that much. Call long from 96 to 06. Good shit. Yeah. Just careful. If you guys are gonna trade, don't trade this range. So if you want to play shorts now, I'd wait for a 15-minute break below 19,937. So this low here, I'd wait for a break below here on the 15-minute time frame, right? It's gonna match up with QQ below daily, SPY below daily, NVDA below daily. Everything you want to line up will line up here, right? So that's what you would want to see, a 15-minute close below that. So you gotta wait 14 more minutes. Playing a 5-minute here, it's very, very aggressive, very, very tight. Both sides, longs and shorts, right? Because if you go long here, your stop loss is all the way to 19,937. Wow, now it rejects you, mother sucker. Anyways, well, there goes the short. Yeah, I don't want to add anything new unless we get a 15-minute shift below now. So the next 13 minutes. Do you guys have any questions before I log off? This is the goal, right? Trading is for financial freedom. You just want to catch one and be done, right? No reason for you to sit here and watch the charts all day. Really, no reason. Just think of it. I know a lot of you guys are greedy. You greedy fucks, right? I know you might be like, I'm up $500, $1,000 today. You want more? Think of it. How much does that take you to making your real job? Probably a week of works. A whole week of work's worth, right? It's what it takes you. So stop being greedy, fucks.